was another thing I noticed, is people who are the sickest at the beginning tend to get the best results in the end.
Yeah, they do. They see the benefit immediately.
Yeah, exactly. And they have to be so disciplined and dedicated to get that result that discipline and dedication becomes habitual, and they keep going with it. Whereas some people who they're already pretty good anyway, and they just do a bit of practice and it picks up, they haven't had to develop that kind of that deep practice, because there's a lot of wisdom in the practice. Yeah, to get good practice, you have to really work on it and craft your practice and learn all these tricks about how to get around your mind, and how to get around your reluctance, and this sense of suffocation and these sort of temporary, what can we say, barriers to you going forward. You have to negotiate your way around all of this, and you can learn all these tricks from practitioners, but also you learn them just from your own practice, from your own experience. But if you don't learn all that, which people who haven't got serious conditions don't have to learn it, they tend not to have very good practice in the end. And it's those people, I often said to the people who are the worst off in the group, they would complain that, oh, the others are doing better than me. I used to say to them, chances are you will end up with the best practice and maybe even the best health at the end of the day, if you just keep going. And compare yourself to yourself yesterday. Don't compare yourself to others. That's pointless.